don't. I can't remember. That was a horrible aim. Ready? I'll hit the same spot you did, okay?
Huh? Yeah. Well, Robbie and I did good in it though. We should stay on the high ground over here. So we should go that way.
Well, we could start at that one. I wouldn't get behind a rocket. It's only enough for one person. I think you can get in the rocket. Like there's a little door in there.
No, that's in that field over there. That's
See the big one? Get
in the big one. That big rocket.
How far does this go down?
What?
What? Wait, did you
right
shoot
there.
and then it rolled out?
Wait, look at that. Let me see. Alright, it's still working.
Yo, Stu. Stu.
Guys, move up! Keep going! Keep going! Watch out, Justin.
Yeah.
I'm on your side. Justin, I'll tell you if we need to run back, okay?
Okay.
Brandon, you're good. You're fine.
Wait, dude, I'm recording, right? Is it red? Alright.
Okay. This is a quiet battle.
Yeah.
Scoot over a little bit.
I can't scooch over.
Alright, you want to move?
I just got splatter on my helmet.
No, you're not hit.
Yeah, no, I just got that.
You're Justin, watch your left.
There's a guy behind the door. How'd they come from behind us? Oh, yeah, and then nobody wanted to go
We
there.
were doing good until they came up from behind.
I got one of them.
I got at least one person.
I got hit from the side.
That girl, I hit her in the hopper and the top of her head. I don't know what the hell she was doing.
The girl in the black. I hit the girl in the black.
Yeah, I hit her too.
Yeah, I thought a teammate was shooting me, but then I turned around and I saw red. I'm like, okay, I gotta get
Next
my...
time you go up here and shoot her in the foot. I shot her and she didn't go out.
You should have called me, man. You should have like, yo.
No, I did. I said, you're out. You're out. And then she finally realized that all the things.
I think Ginger Chick over here came up from behind us.
Mm-hmm.
I kept hitting her in the face, and I got her. Like, right. It's so annoying.
I think that Ginger
She's like cheating. It's really annoying.
Hey, man.